Hi everyone, welcome back. We continue on this list and today we are gonna learn about eigenfunction. This function I remember from my linear algebra lessons because most of the time in exams eigenvalues and eigenvectors are required to calculate, and to calculate these things really difficult because they have really complicated formulas, and I just wanted to tell you, maybe you also remember. Anyway, why we need this function in OpenCV, why this is included in OpenCV library, because these outputs, values and vectors are used in image filtering and image denoising. Also at the same time it's used in image feature extraction. So that's why this function, this eigen function, is included in OpenCV and in also many computer vision libraries. Okay, this is the importance, but we are gonna focus on how this functions usage in OpenCV. The input parameters are easy. You just need to give input array, input image, and it's gonna give you accordingly eigenvalues and eigenvectors in the output. Okay, and another thing need to be considered about this input image type. It's needed to be float type, 32-bit or 64-bit. Also another thing is need to be one channel image. The most important one, also image should be in the square size. It cannot be other type of sizes because it's gonna give you error. Let's switch to code part, and this is the example from the previous video. Maybe we can play with this little bit, and this is the input math. We need another output which is eigenvalues and also eigenvectors. Okay, and what is next? All we need to do is that calling eigenfunction, input 1, eigenvalues, eigenvectors, and we are done. So also I want to see the output of eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Okay, since this is a square matrix, we are not gonna get any error. Let's see the result. Okay, so this is the output. I don't know how this gets this output. I said at the beginning there is a complicated formula, but these are the values, two values, because this is 2 by 2, and this is the 2 by 2 vectors, since we have 2 by 2 matrix. What if we change to, let's say like this, 3 by 3 matrix? Okay, one more. Let's faster make like this. Now this is a 3 by 3 matrix, and let's see the result. So now you get 3 eigenvalues and 3 by 3 eigenvectors output. What else? If you make this decrease the let's say this 3 by 3, but if we make it 3 by 2 maybe, so now it's gonna give us error because, let's see, yes, it says in eigenfunction but you need source number of rows should be equal to number of columns. In here it's not, so this is not a square math, so it gives me error. This is the critical part. Otherwise, if this is square, you can easily get your eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So simply I wanted to talk about usage of eigenfunction. See you in the next videos.